In this video, I'll show you how to migrate a Facebook personal profile to a Facebook page, step by step. First, sign into Facebook and open the personal profile you want to convert. Look for Facebook's available Create a Page or Profile to Page conversion option. If the option is available for your account, follow the on-screen instructions to create a page based on your profile information. Review the information that will be transferred, such as your name, profile picture, and other eligible content or followers. Choose the page name and category, then complete the setup. After the page is created, open Page Settings and add your business information, contact details, profile picture, cover photo, and other relevant details. Keep in mind that Facebook's profile to page conversion options and what can be transferred may change over time, and not every personal profile will have the same migration option. Before making any changes, download or save important information from your profile that you don't want to lose. That's how you can move from a Facebook personal profile toward a Facebook page when the conversion option is available. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more easy Facebook and Meta tutorials. Thanks for watching.